Work with hydronic heating systems? How'd you like to drain the entire system to replace one pump? Mercifully, you don't have to. With Webstone's 4040 series isolation valves, built for straightforward maintenance and installation. Today, we're taking a look at what makes these isolation valves the ultimate team player. Isolation valves work by stopping the flow of fluid into a particular area of the system. That way, you can work on the area that needs attention without having to revamp the entire system. Webstone's 4040 isolation valves isolate themselves from the pack thanks to their thoughtful and durable design. The brass body is built to last, withstanding high pressures and temperatures even after years of use. They don't crack and they don't disappoint. The no-slip grip on Webstone 4040 isolation valves make them easier to operate, and the sturdy handle helps eliminate one of the most common valve failure points. Webstone 4040 series isolation valves come with a lifetime manufacturer warranty and are available in connection sizes from ½ an inch to 2 full inches for safe and effective use on big and small jobs alike. Order yours today with fast nationwide shipping from supplyhouse.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.